Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to purchase Shopify theme. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Shopify account and you'll land on the Shopify homepage. From here, navigate to the section labeled Online Store, located in the left-hand side menu, and click on it. This is the hub for everything related to your store's online appearance, including themes. As you arrive at the online store page, scroll down a bit until you find the popular free themes section. This section displays some great options if you're looking to use a free theme, but you'll need to explore further. Next, you will see an option that says Visit Theme Store. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the dedicated Shopify Theme Store. This marketplace is filled with a wide range of both free and paid themes. Once you're on the Shopify Theme Store webpage, take some time to explore. Or, if you already have a specific one in mind, use the search bar at the top to find a theme by name. Look for a theme that matches your brand identity and check the theme's features, reviews, and pricing. When you've chosen the perfect theme, click on it for more details. Here, you'll have the option to preview the theme and get a feel for how it looks and works. Once you're satisfied with your choice, look for the Purchase button. Shopify will then guide you through the checkout process, which is simple and secure. After completing the payment, congratulations, you've just purchased a new theme for your store. And that's it. So that is how you can purchase Shopify theme. So that's all for this video. Thanks.